real bad. I'm not gonna do it.
What is wrong with you, dude? What is
Jelly
wrong
was gonna
with
say
Jelly?
something really bad there. I know.
Nah, I wasn't.
Nah, he was. Dude, you're sick. You're sick. What is wrong with you, man? Why you gotta say that kind of stuff?
I was going to say something like, I don't know.
I was gonna say it's because you live in Australia.
No.
No,
I think it had something to do with the jungle.
That's racist.
No, you were going
I
to
told
say
you,
that.
Jelly's racist, man.
Jelly was
Come on,
going
man.
to say that.
The things that people say these days, white people, man, white people.
No, we're
White
pink,
people,
dude.
I
We're
know,
pink.
right?
What are you gonna do, man? What are you
We're
gonna do?
pink. We're not white.
Yeah, we're all pink from the inside, right?
No, we're not.
Right?
We're red.
Yes,
from
we
the
are.
inside.
No, we're not all equal. What are you on about?
I'm brown from the inside.
Brown heat.
Some parts in my body are brown.
Oh my God, where am I?
Oh.
you know where you're not at the finish.
Wait, you're not at the finish.
No, neither am
These
I.
cops are doing these stunts too. That's crazy.
No, they're not.
Woo! No! No. I can see a helicopter. I thought that was Cody flying in the sky, but it was a helicopter.
No, that's not me, dude. That's not me.
Oh
That's
my
not me.
God! This FIB thing just totally smashed into.
Oh my God.
Scooped him. I scooped him. I scooped him like I scooped the ice cream. The ice cream.
These
You know
cops
what
are
I also
so
like to
annoying.
scoop? You know what I also like to scoop? No, Jelly. I don't like
You
to
almost
scoop
blew
the
me up
DNF.
there. Oh no, that was a
Scoop.
cop.
I like to scoop the DNF as well, but today I will not be scooping it.